So, hello everyone. I am Joab. I'm coursing web application development with Tom in Centennial College, and this is my midterm test introduction. So, first of all, I want to show you the code I did. So, this is the starter pack that Tom sent us, and we have to work with it in the midterm test. So first of all, I connected my MongoDB Atlas to my project. This is my MongoDB, so you can see it. And here I have all the database. Yeah, I connected it remotely, not locally. Then into index.js, into books, into view as well. I added the favorite books list. When we're gonna click on it, it's gonna take us to localhost or Heroku app or wherever it is, /books/add. And I added the edit button, which is gonna take us to localhost or whatever again, /books/edit/id, and the delete button, which is gonna take us to books/delete/id. This is it. It's gonna take the count of the books with the ID, the correspondent ID, so it can take to the correspondent ID in the path. And I added some font awesome here, so it's more, so it looks better. And yeah, this is the bottom. And finally, and the most important part from my perspective is the functionalities of the bottoms. Here is the getter for the home page. It was already given by Tom, but here is the getter for the ad. So when we click the bottom, it's gonna take us there. This is, well, to be specifically, it's gonna take us to the details, details EJS, to the details template, so we can add another book. The post, so when we fill in the form into details EJS, it's gonna work and it's gonna add another book. Then the getter for the edit ID, it's gonna take us to details EJS as well. And the post edit ID, it's gonna take again to details EJS. And when we fill in or change something in the form, it's gonna reflect the changes into the database, into MongoDB Atlas. And finally, the get to delete. So when we click into the delete button, it's gonna allows us to delete the book in the database. And that's about the code. And finally, I want to show you my website. Here's, of course, my GitHub repository, and here it is into Heroku app, and here it is run locally into localhost 3000. And here's the home page, something very simple. And here is where the magic exists. We can add a book, for example. Let me show you. And fiction. So when we submit, the book is added. We can edit whatever we want. For example, the price, we can change it to $100, and it's gonna, the date is gonna reflect here, and here is gonna be reflected as well. Here, the price. And finally, we can also delete it. We can cancel it if we change our mind to delete it, or we can accept it and it's gonna be deleted. And that's about me. Thanks for watching.